Dear students, here we are going to run sequential logic circuit in which JK flip-flop, clock JK flip-flop with present state and clear state race condition around in JK flip-flop. Now level trigger JK flip-flop. This is the diagram of JK flip-flop in which 1, 2, 3 and 4 gates are used. 4 NOT gates are used. In this given circuit diagram, the positive edge trigger JK flip-flop is shown and its circuit symbol is shown. Now we are going to learn before this what is the structure of this flip-flop. Here we are using RS flip-flop. We are providing input into RS flip-flop as gate number 3 and gate number 4. It means we are extending circuit. It is one kind of SR latch in which we are providing input as a J and K and feedback link, or we can say cross coupling of output of second gate that is giving as the input of the third gate, as well as output of Q gate number 1 that is giving input as a gate number 4, that is called cross coupled of gate. Same way in gate number 1, output of one gate that is given as the input of gate number 2, and gate number 2 that is giving as out input of gate number 1, that is called cross couple of gates, in which we have here J and K input and we are providing clock. This is called Q, which one is as input from output of gate number 1, and this is called Q bar. This is considered as a input which one is connected from output of Q bar. It is a simple structure of JK flip-flop in which we are using here 4 NAND gates. This is symbol of JK flip-flop in which J, K, output is Q, Q bar, and it is clock. Circuit diagram of level trigger JK flip-flop. The clock signal is a train of rectangle of square waves. It is passed through difference C2R1 as rectifier to obtain positive peaks at point NAND gate 1, 2 from an SR latch. The other 2 NAND gates have 3 input. The output of Q and Q bar are feedback to the input of gate number 4 and 3. Here we have equation that is S dash equal to Q dot clock whole bar. Same way R dash equal to J dot Q bar dot clock whole bar. Let us check the states of truth table of JK flip-flop in which we are providing input as a clock and input as a J and K. Here we have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. This one is the output state, that is Qn plus 1 and Qn plus 1 bar. First we are going to providing input equal to 0. For all these 4 conditions, input equal to 0, at the time there are no any kind of changes because clock is 0, so circuit is not working. Now next, second time we are providing whole equal to 1. It means clock is enabled, clock is active. So your circuit is going to active. We are providing clock, then and then we are able to pass data to circuit. Now when clock is 1, JK equal to 0, 0. So Qn and output is Qn bar. So no changes according to inputs. No any kind of changes given over here. So whenever clock equal to 1 and JK equal to 0, since we can say J equal to 0, it means J equal to 0, it means R dash equal to 1, and we can say K equal to 0, it means S dash equal to 1. So R dash S dash equal to 1. The output of Q and Q bar will not change the state even through a positive edge. the clock pulse being applied. 1, it means output of 1, 1 that is converted into 0, and 1, 1 that is converted into 0. So there is no change in output. Now second value, clock equal to 1, j equal to 0, k equal to 1. J equal to 0 and k equal to 1. Now once again we can recall the expressions where for s dash and r dash, where s dash equal to k dot q dot clock whole bar and r dash equal to j dot q bar dot clock whole bar. If the previous state q and q bar is q equal to 1 and q bar equal to 0, then s dash will be 1 dot 1 dot 1 whole bar equal to 0, and r dash will be 0 dot 0 dot 1 whole bar, so r will be 1. So here we can say we are providing s equal to, it is equal to 1. So you can say it is one kind of reset state. It is one kind of reset state. Same way 1 1 1 1 0 4 1 1 0. Now once again provide, okay, 1 1 0, it means j equal to 1, k equal to 0, in which once again we can say output will be s dash equal to 1, r dash equal to 0, so q equal to 1, output q equal to 1. Whenever last all equal to 1, that may be toggle, output will be in toggle form. From the operation we can say that j equal to k equal to 1 and clock hits 1, then q and q bar output inverted, qn plus equal to qn bar and qn plus 1 equal to qn. So output of this, it is transferred over here and it is transferred over here. That is called one kind of toggle. It is called simple truth table of JK flip-flop. Now timing diagram of trigger JK flip-flop, in which where j, k, clock equal to 0, j equal to 1, k equal to 0, clock equal to 1, at the time output will be 1. j 1, k, j1, k0, clock equal to 1, it means set. So we are going to set here high value, j equal to 1, k equal to 0, clock equal to 1, j equal to 1, k equal to 0, clock equal to 1. So we are setting output j equal to set over here. Now next j equal to 1, k equal to 1, clock equal to 1, j equal to 1, k equal to 1, clock equal to 1. So every time whenever it is going to perform one kind of race condition, once qn is active, once qn bar is active, once qn is active, once qn bar is active. So it is called race around condition. It is called race around condition. And last j equal to 0, k equal to 1 and clock equal to 1. So it is reset the value. It means we can say it is once again set to 0. It is simple clock diagram, race around condition. Now race around condition in JK flip-flop, the race around condition that we are going to explain occurs j equal to k equal to 1. That means when the flip-flop is in toggle mode, when j equal to 1, k equal to 1 and clock equal to 1, hence the JK flip-flop is in toggle mode, q becomes low and q becomes high, q bar becomes high. This change output get applied at the input of NAND gates 3 and 4 of JK flip-flop. Thus new inputs to gate 3 and 4 are 3, j equal to 1, clock equal to 1 and q equal to 1. How to avoid around JK flip-flop race condition? The race condition in JK flip-flop can be avoided by using edge trigger JK flip-flop or using master slave JK flip-flop. You can use edge trigger or master slave JK flip-flop for rounding race condition. It is called edge trigger JK flip-flop, in which we are providing clock here can provide in clock over here. Age trigger JK flip-flop. The circuit diagram, that positive age trigger and circuit symbol, it is also shown over here. Now age trigger JK flip-flop, in which clock is 0 or 1. Whenever it is 0, all equal to no change. Whenever it is 1, Q and Q bar, that is no change. Same way 0 1 0, clock is high, it is set to 1. It is set to 1. Once again 1 0 1, it is set to 1. Here we are going to set once again 1 1, that is called toggle. How to avoid race condition in JK flip-flop using age trigger JK flip-flops? For the racing avoiding around to take place, it is necessary to have the enable input high along with JK equal to 1. We must set enable equal to high. Enable equal to high. As the enable input remains high for a long time in the JK flip-flop, the problem of multiple toggle arises. But in age trigger JK flip-flop, positive clock pulse is present only for a very short time. So there is no multiple toggle will be arise. Hence, by the time change output from return back to the inputs of gate C4, the clock pulse has died down to 0. Hence, the multiple toggle cannot be take place. Thus, the age trigger avoids the race condition. You can say this is the reason to avoid toggle. Thank you.